In this video, we are going to see how we can exclude the website from the memory saver option on the Brave browser. So as we already know, the memory saver makes the website run faster. But for some of the websites, you might need to disable that option because you can't see some of the particular features. So although the memory saver option is turned on, you can still exclude some of the websites from that. And that is a very simple procedure. So what you can do is just click on the three lines at the top right hand corner and click on the settings at the bottom. And then on the left hand side, we can see the system option. If we scroll down a little bit, memory saver option, here it is. So although we turn this on and keep it to the balanced, but we can still exclude some of the websites from the list. So as you can see, always keep these sites active. Sites you add will always stay active and memory won't be freed up from them. That means if there are some requirements of the websites that needs to be continuously running, even if the tab is inactive, you don't need to turn on the memory saver for those websites. So click on add and just select any websites that you want to add the current site if you have already opened that, or you can add the site manually just by entering the site URL. Let's say www.tradingview.com or www.facebook.com. Let's click on add and just go back and you're good to go. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.